Hello, I'm going to be navigating you through the Squarespace menus. There's the Pages menu, Design menu, Analytics menu, and Settings. Commerce menu we're not going to worry about. First thing you want to do is log in, or just go straight to the website that you want to edit. So in my case, arborvista.live. Okay, once here you can actually press the escape key and it's going to bring you straight to the login menu for that site. So press escape. Okay, I was already logged in, so it brought me straight to the menu. So now you can see the Pages menu, Design menu, Commerce menu, Analytics, and Settings menu. Okay, first thing I want to go over is the Pages menu. So if you actually want to add a page to your site, this is how you're going to do it. This is your navigation right here. If you want to arrange your order of navigation, you can just click and drag these, and you'll notice it just switched start here in services. I'm going to switch it back. Just like that. Secondary navigation can be located anywhere on the page depending on what template we're using. In this case, it places our secondary navigation over to the right here. These are not linked pages that you still might want to pull content from the old website. But if you don't need them, it's good to just delete them. This just needs cleaned up. You can actually click on this little gear right here. It's going to open up page menu. Whatever the title is going to show up in the navigation. Give me a sec. Okay, so whatever the title will show up as in the navigation is right here. The page title, meaning what is actually going to be in the URL bar. If the page is enabled or disabled, if you're working on a page, you're going to want to disable it just so it doesn't look bad. And you can also type a description of the page. On some templates, the description of the page is going to pop up on the header. And this template, that's not the case, and you can just keep notes about your page there. And the URL slug changes in sync with the page title. You can also set a password protection for the page, which really isn't necessary unless you're creating a page for employees. Here in this navigation, in this part of the menu, you can set this page as a home page, or you can duplicate the page if you just want to change minor details. If you click Media, it's where you can add a banner image or a banner video, and it'll pop up right in the front. And on some templates, whatever you put under the description will pop up over top of the banner video or image. Under Advanced, this is page header code injection. You can do a little bit of research on that, but basically if your website template doesn't provide something that you're looking for, such as a search bar or a different style of navigation or anything like that, you can insert it there. This is not to be confused with an HTML code block. Okay, so if you navigate with this back button from home, next to home, okay, so now the next menu I want to go over is design. This actually has to do with the actual look of your page, colors, fonts, sizes, and styles. You have different design menus over here to the left. Start with logo and title. Okay, so your company's title goes right here. Some templates will put that on the page for you, but if you have a logo, most of the time it automatically removes it. In this case, we have a logo image with a transparent background, and you can adjust the size in a different part of the menu. But if you want to upload a different logo, you can just click this trash can, or you can edit this logo right there. browser favicon. So that is what pops up right here. On Google Chrome, it pops up on the tab. It's just a little image. Familiarizes the logo with the page. There's also a social sharing logo. If you share a post that you made on the website, maybe the blog, or you want to share a specific page on Facebook, this is the image or logo that's going to pop up on Facebook. Okay, so navigate back from design. Okay, if you had the template, so we can install different templates that give it just a different look and a different theme. This you really shouldn't have to worry about, and anybody who has to change the template most likely already knows what they're doing. So navigate back. Style editor. This is where things get really in depth. You can edit just about any element on your web page from the style editor that doesn't have to do with the actual content. Meaning you can't edit pictures and you can't edit what the words actually say. You can edit how big the pictures pop up. You can even edit the hue of the picture and stuff like that. You can edit the font size, page width, site background color. It's all available here. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is the full design menu. You can notice as I'm highlighting over every single one of these, a new blue box pops up over the actual website. It's because it's letting you know what you're actually going to be editing. So let's highlight logo height. You might see that there is there's a blue box over the logo whenever I highlight logo height. If I turn it up or turn it down, you can't see the effects of it right now because it's not in full screen, but it changes stuff. If you don't have time to scroll through here, if you're actually looking for something specific to do, you can actually just click on it, and it brings you straight to the announcement bar menu like I just clicked on. If you want to click on this navigation right here, it brings me straight to the site navigation menu, and that is it. If you want to see the entire menu again, just click Show All. You can click Save or Cancel. I'm going to cancel because I made some mistakes. Okay. So navigate back again. Check out the page style editor. You do not have to worry about. Lock screen has to do if we're going to create like an employee login page to view scheduling or something along those lines. It's basically the same thing as a style editor right here. You have branding and text, media, and your actual style for the page. The layout is usually really basic. It's a small icon with just a password, really minimalistic. Announcement bar is this little green bar that you see at the top here. You can edit the content inside of it. If you want to edit the color, the size, or the type of font, you can do that under Style Editor. But here you can actually enable it and disable it. And if you want to add a click-through URL, meaning if they click on the actual bar, it'll bring them to a certain page, you can do that. But here's where you edit the content. Okay, navigate back. Mobile information bar. When you're trying to make your website mobile friendly, fun thing to add in is a mobile information bar. It's a really minimalistic menu at the bottom. Even when you're scrolling on a phone, it doesn't disappear. It gives you the option to instantly send an email, call, or view it on a map. You can change the look of it, what type of content is shown, and stuff like that. A Squarespace badge. When you're running a professional business like Arbor Vista, you're going to want to disable the Squarespace badge. Squarespace badge usually pops up at the bottom of the page, somewhere around here. It says powered by Squarespace. Custom CSS, you won't need to use this. If you're getting into this, then you most likely already know what you're doing. And some advanced design settings. If you're getting into this, you already know what you're doing, so you won't have to mess with that either. Alright, so that is it for pages and design. Become familiar with this and don't just rely on the video.